أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Hello everyone, hope everybody is doing good and fine. So I am Muhammad Khan and you are watching Forex Detective. Today we are going to analyze some of the pairs like XAUSD Gold and etc. First of all, let's discuss about the fundamental that we are going to face today and the coming days. So on Wednesday, January 11th, we have nothing special for the USD, but we have high impact news for the AUD, that is CPR yearly, and after that on Thursday we have high impact news for the USD, that is the CPI monthly, and the CPI yearly, and the core CPI, that is the monthly also, and the medium impact news, unemployment claims, that is the very important news in which we get the higher movements. That discussing on the news is another topic. We will make the videos on the newses on the coming day. Like if the news is going to be released on Thursday, then we will make about the unemployment claims news on that day, and inshallah I will cover to discuss and to explain all the news and how do they work. So you can join my premium channel or the Telegram channel. As you can see here, you can see the updates about the newses and each and everything. So let's move ahead. On January 13th, Friday, we have the high impact news for the GBP, that is the GDP monthly, and we have two news for the USD. One is the high impact, and the second is the low impact, that is the premium UOM consumer sentiment and the premium inflation expectations. So nothing special for the fundamentals except for the Thursday, because we have unemployment claims and the CPIs. So let's discuss about the dollar first. Let's go to the daily time frame. Like if you have seen my previous videos that told you that it is following the higher highs and the higher lows first, and after that at this area it changed the trend and followed the long impulsive move. After that it is following the bearish channel type form, and it's again following the lower, and then it started following lower lows and the lower highs, and it's expected that this area, if we talk about the weekly, this area was the strong support level, or we can call that the demand zone. So it's expected that the dollar will fall down this area, or the dollar can fall down then till this area, that is the 102.338. Now heading towards the H4. As you can see here, that this was the resistance here, but yesterday we seen that it break out, that is the break of structure, and it also has completed the retracement or the retest. So the next thing that is going to happen is that dollar is going to fall down, and let's check out the other things as well. uh, let's check out the moving averages as well. Let me put it to the 21st. So it's still bearish, and it's expected that it is going to fall down. If I talk about the H1 time frame, we have seen here the log impulse, and now it's making its correction. This was the area that it break yesterday, and after that impulse correction, it has completed the correction, and the retracement for this area for the break of structure, and after that it is going to follow the sell trend again, as I told you before and in my previous analysis also. After that, let's head toward one thing. Let me check the divergence as well. I think we have the divergence here. Okay, leave it. In the daily time frame, in the shorter time frame, let's just 1 second. Here. I have discussed the daily time frame in my previous video. Go check it out if you want the detailed analysis on the daily time frame of the gold. I will just do a recap here. Here we have first wave, second wave, third wave. At this point we have our fourth, fifth, then it is making the correction ABC. And if I put Fibonacci level, so this area, this is the 19, around 1900 or maybe 1904. This area is expected that the gold is going to follow the buy trend till this area, then it is going to fall down. So nothing special for the gold in daily time frame. I have discussed it many times before, and now let's head toward the shorter time frames. Here we have the higher highs and the higher lows, and it is continuously following the trend. We didn't see any kind of the reversal here, and the moving averages are also in the favor of buy. It complete, and as you can see here, we have a break of structure. It break out this area and it's going up after completing the retest. And yeah, let's move toward the shorter time frame. Okay, nothing special here. We have the moving averages indicating that it is of buy favor, and we have the consolidation phase here. We need to wait for the breakout of the upper trend line or the lower trend line. It is possible that it will go up from directly from here, or it can fall down till the 1860 point, then it's going to rise. So waiting should be better at this movement, and let's see here. As you can see here, it's falling down, but nothing special here. And I think we have the divergence as well in the long term frames. As you can see, it's going up, but it's falling down. Here it's falling down, so this is the reason that it can fall till the 1816, because we have the divergence, but it doesn't work many times. So we will ignore it, but it's a fact. So there's nothing here special here. After that, we will discuss about the SPX. Here, this was the good level, and the second, in the current situation, we have this one as a good level. It has completed the breakout and the retracement, and it's going up. And we have a kind of cup and handle pattern here as well. This level is strong. You can take buy at this point after its retest, and if it's reject from this level, then you can enter in the sale. Let's check the higher time frames as well. It can follow till this point, 61.80%. Then possible that it will reject, because let me change the color. Here we also have the rising wedge pattern, and completed the breakout and the retest, and as I showed you, at this point is the 61.80% of the Fibonacci. After reaching at this area, it's going to fall down. So according to me, SPX is short term buy and then long term sale. Let's discuss next thing, Nasdaq. As I have shared the analysis in my free Telegram channel, that it is in the bearish channel pattern in the long time frame, and it was making its correction here in the bullish channel pattern, and it did the breakout, and it's making the retest again, and it is the good level. So just let me remove it. This was the correction, and I showed you sell from this point, and it's almost, I think it's around 2,000 pips positive right now, and it break out and completed the retest. Now the level is area is also very good. So it's expected that if it's reject with a strong bearish price action, it is going to follow sell trend again. Let me just put the Fibonacci's. Expected area is this one. Either it is going to reject from the 1137, and or it is going to reject from the 11649. Alright, after that, let's discuss the Dow Jones. Higher highs and the higher lows here, and at this area it reversed the trend and making a bullish flag pattern, the bearish flag pattern. So it's possible that it will going to fall down. Another possibility is, let me just move in its shorter time frames. that it was in the consolidation phase, and as you can see there that it has break the upper trend line, and this was the good area. This was and it has made this area as a strong SR level, because as you can see here it was the great support at this point, and after that it was reacting as the resistance at this point. Now it has completed the breakout, and the breakout of the structure, and completed the retracement. Now it's falling up, so it's expected that it will follow the buy trend till this area, that is the 34350, and then after that it's going to fall down. So if I talk about the short results of the Dow Jones, I am seeing here the short buy and the long term sale. Let's discuss the BTC. I have some analysis already in there. So first of all, the first thing that we have the bearish channel here, sorry, the rising wedge, falling wedge, and after that this is the bearish channel. Two things, and after that, after moving in the shorter time frames, let's just move towards the H4. We have the correction here, and it is rejecting from the lower trend line, and it will go till the upper trend line. And another thing, the A, B and the C wave will be completed at this area. That was the strong SR level in the daily time frame. So possibility is that it is going to complete the retest at this point. So after that, after completing its ABC correction, it is going to follow the sell trend. And as I have shared my analysis in the previous videos, that according to me the BTC has to fall down till the minimum 14,000 around something, and then the next target after the 14,000 is 1200, and after that is 900 something, 9,000 something. Let's move towards the shorter time frames. Here this was the resistance area, but it has breakout and completed the retest, and here we have our break of structure and completed the retracement, and the EMA is also indicating a buy signal. So according to my analysis, it is going to follow the buy trend. After that, let's discuss some AUD/USD. We have a rising wedge here, and as you can see here, this trend line can be put here between them. We have the break of structure here and completed the retest. So according to me, it is going to follow the buy trend till this point, and after that, it is going to follow the sell trend. It will be a long term, and as I showed you that the DXY is going to follow the sell trend. That means the USD pairs is going to follow the buy trend, and nothing special in here. Let's move towards the shorter time frame. In shorter time frame, we have a bearish channel completed the breakout and the retest, and it is going to follow this buy trend. These are the shorter few small thing that helps a lot in kind of trading, and if you want to learn all of these things and want to become a professional trader, you can join our Forex classes. We have only limited seats left, and if you want the updates for the market and the free analysis, here you can see in my channel, Telegram channel, you can have them. And if you want the signals, then you can join our premium channel. That's on top. I can show you. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Keep showing your supports, and as you can see in the last, these are my watch list, so you can have fun with them, and you can get the signal on the premium channel. So contact me on Telegram for the signals. The link is in the bio. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.